Salutations, suckwads. It's another good weekend. It's another Saturday. It's another hostile takeover of our Nemesis Method Endeavors page for their little weekend extravaganzas. But I'm here to teach you Earthlings a little lesson in tactics and how to do things the right way. Because, unfortunately, I'm the best at doing it, and they suck. Oh! Ooh! Got me. That's about enough out of you for now, huh? See you, dude. Yes, I killed him, but, you know, he time travels and everything. I don't exactly know how it works, but he'll be back. For now, we have time to actually train for real. So let's get to it. All right, guys, here we are for another weekend. It's another weekend, it's another Saturday, it's another bright day with zero clouds and endless heat in the summer. But we're here for you. Notice, we got another shirt that's coming out. You guys get access to this first. It's another special edition shirt from Method. And we also have our new sponsors, Gator's Sunglasses with their new Blast Shield, which is completely awesome. I'm just kidding, they're not actually our sponsors, but they follow the page and like some of our stuff sometimes. And so hopefully one day we'll get there. But nonetheless, this weekend's drill is from Tier 1 Concealed. It's called the 777 or the 777 or whatever the hell you want to call it, but it's 7 yards, 7 rounds, 7 seconds, and it's incredibly hard. It's difficult. So if you're not a concealed guru, like Johnny Moonraker it's gonna be difficult. So check this thing out. Here we go. Okay, so we explained that it's 7 rounds, 7 yards, 7 seconds, but here's where the difficulty comes in. First round you draw from concealment, 1 round in the 1-inch circle, 2 rounds in the 2-inch circle, do a emergency or slide lock reload, 3 rounds in the 3-inch circle, 3-inch, 4-inch. I mean, this is very technical. We had our graphic designer do this. So then the last one you transition to the 1-inch circle is 1 round. And it's difficult. First time we did it is now. Actually, don't even pay attention to this. That's not what we're gonna worry about. This is the first time. It's a dry run. We do it perfect every time. And let's get into it. Okay, let's do it again. Good, good, good. This reloads. We're using a Zev today. It's my fault, not Zev's fault. It's my fault. Not the OZ9. It's the idiot holding it. Fucking bullshit. What is going on, baby? Anger. That's what's going on. It's fine. Everything's fine. It's good. I'm fucked up. And we're out again. What was that? Let's do it again. I know. It's starting to feel better. I got enough for it. Three, 1, time. Okay, let's load up some more rounds because we gotta load up more rounds.
Hey man, I think we should cut it, dude.
No, because if you look at my target, we can't leave. I'm not leaving.
What are you talking about, dude?
I'm not leaving, dude.
What?
I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving!
I'm not leaving. Till it's perfect. No, he didn't kill me. No. I mean, technically he killed me, but I don't really. It's really complicated, but that, like, nope, he didn't kill me. It's not like he pulled one over on me or anything. It's, it's. I'll be back.